How to access YouTube Music on the background of your device. So how you can simply get this feature, or you can play music on the background while doing or using any application while the music will be playing in the background on your device. For this, you can simply do it from the YouTube main application. You don't have to simply reach out to the YouTube music section for this. Instead, you can simply click on the YouTube application just like that here, and then click on the bottom of your screen, that is right bottom of your screen, there is U section. You simply have to click this section here and then scroll down. Then you're gonna see get YouTube Premium. Here you can see that prepaid and monthly plans will be available for about $2 or $2.5 a month. You can subscribe to this plan in order to use the YouTube music in the background. You can also play YouTube videos in the background with this feature. So this is more reliable than the previous one. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.